Hello kids, I'm mentor Neetu. We are doing Basic Mathematics Class 5 Galaxy series by Coral Publishers. So today we are starting chapter 16 Profit and Loss. Very interesting topic. Now a seller buys goods from a wholesale market and then sells them in retail at profit. So, but sometime due to some reason the seller is unable to sell his goods at a higher price than he bought them at. So, he sells the good at a lower price and thus the incur a loss. कई बार loss होता है, कई बार profit होता है. It depends on cost price and selling price. अब हम पढ़ते हैं इनके बारे में. Common terms. Cost price CP, the price at which a seller buys goods. जिस प्राइस पे सेलर बाय करता है that is CP. Selling price जिस पे वो सेल करता है that is SP. When the selling price of goods is more than the CP, then the profit is earned. यानी profit is SP minus CP. And when the CP is more than the selling price, then loss occurs. यानी loss is CP minus SP. Okay, the gain on rupees 100 is called gain percent. The loss on rupees 100 is called loss percent. There are some formulas, profit percent and loss percent. वो हमेशा याद रखना, हम CP पे फाइंड करते हैं. So profit upon CP into 100 and loss percent loss upon CP into 100. It should be noted that gain or loss is always calculated on the CP of the article, as I told you this thing. Okay. Now example 1. A furniture seller buys 4 chairs for rupees 1500 and sells them for rupees 2200. CP is 1500, SP is 2200. आप देखो ज़्यादा में सेल की है, SP is bigger तो profit हुआ, यानी SP minus CP that is 700. So what is the profit or loss? आप compare करोगे CP और SP को. SP greater है CP से तो profit है, SP smaller है CP से तो loss है. तो here we are getting profit. Now the second one, a fruit seller buys 10 kg mangoes at the rate of rupees 28 per kg. 1 kg मैंगो के कॉस्ट था 28 रुपीज़. कितने बाय किए? 10 kg. ड्यू टू सडन रेनफॉल ही सेल्स द मैंगो एट अ लोअर प्राइस एट द रेट ऑफ रुपीज़ 25 पर kg. रेनफॉल हुआ, उसने क्या किया? सेल कर दिया 25 पर kg पे. हाउ मच लॉस डज द फ्रूट सेलर सफ़र? तो पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे टोटल CP एंड टोटल SP. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 1 kg मैंगो 28. So CP of 10 kg rupees 280. SP of 1 kg is rupees 25. So SP of 10 kg rupees 250. SP is less than CP. Loss is there. CP minus SP, that is rupees 30. Okay. Finding selling price or cost price. When there is a profit, SP is CP plus profit, and if there is a loss, then SP is CP minus loss. Similarly, when there is a profit, CP is SP minus profit, and if there is loss, then CP is SP plus loss. Question number 3. Example 3. Rajiv sold a computer incurring a loss of rupees 3000 for rupees 21,500. What is the CP of the computer? Selling price है 21,500, loss है 3000. तो how we can find CP? So इसमें loss है तो CP ज़्यादा होगा. So CP is SP plus loss, यानी 21,500 plus 3000. Answer is 24,500. Now example 4. Anu sells a table for rupees 3,250 by earning a profit of rupees 750. So this is the selling price, sells. This is the selling price. This is the profit. Find the CP. तो CP क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? SP minus profit, that is 2500. Example 5, find the SP of a radio set by earning a profit of rupees 250 if the CP is rupees 870. CP given है, profit given है, we can find SP, CP plus profit, answer is rupees 1120. Example 6, find the selling price of a shirt if the seller buys it for rupees 360 and bears a loss of rupees 75. So CP 360, loss 75. तो SP क्या हो जाएगा? CP माइनस लॉस यानी 285. Example 7, Rahul buys a bicycle for rupees 900 and sells for rupees 630. Find the gain or loss percent. तो आपके पास CP है 900, SP है 630. SP smaller than CP, तो there is loss, माइनस कर देंगे, that is 270 loss. हमें फाइंड करना है loss percent यानी loss upon CP into 100. Put the values of loss and CP. Now cut the zeros, cut it by 9, answer is 30%. Now example 8, a radio set is bought for rupees 750 and is sold at a gain of 8%. Find the SP. CP given है हमारे पास 750, gain है 8%. तो हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे? पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे प्रॉफिट. So 8% of 750 is the profit. So 8% of 750, that is 60 rupees. So 60 rupees is the gain. So what is SP? CP plus gain, that is 810. I hope these are clear to you. Now example 9, a man bought a horse for rupees 12,500 and is sold at a loss of 15%. Find the selling price of the horse. Now CP is given and loss percent is given. तो पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे लॉस यानी 15% ऑफ 12,500. परसेंटेज हटाएंगे, नीचे 100 लगाएंगे, जीरो से जीरोस कैंसिल कर देंगे. सो लॉस इज रुपीज 1875. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड SP, CP minus loss, that is 10,625. Example 10. If goods are sold at a loss of 8% for rupees 1840, find the CP of the goods. So let CP is 100. अब इसमें मैं CP नहीं पता तो हमने CP को assume कर लिया. Let CP is 100, loss is 8%. यानी 100 रुपीज़ के ऊपर लॉस हमें कितना हुआ है? 8. अब हमें लॉस पता है, हमें CP पता है, we can find SP. SP is 92. Okay. अब हम लगा देंगे इसमें यूनिटरी मेथड वाला. लाइक इफ SP is 92 then CP is 100 and if SP is 1 CP is 100 upon 92 and actual SP is 1840. So what is CP? 100 by 92 into 1840. आप इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे, आंसर इज 2000. ओके. सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन अगर गिवन है तो आपने उसमें एज्यूम करना है. जैसे CP को हमने एज्यूम किया 100, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने लॉस या प्रॉफिट फाइंड कर लिया, फिर SP फाइंड कर लिया, देन अप्लाई द यूनिटरी मेथड टेक्निक. ओके. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 11, इफ एन आर्टिकल इज सोल्ड एट अ लॉस ऑफ 10% फॉर रुपीज 1800. अब हमें फिर से यहाँ पे लॉस परसेंट गिवन है और SP गिवन है. फाइंड द CP. तो अगेन लेट द CP इज 100, लॉस इज 10%. तो यानी लॉस कितना हो जाएगा? 10 रुपीज. हम SP फाइंड कर लेंगे 90 रुपीज. सो इफ SP इज 90, CP इज 100. इफ SP इज 1, CP इज 100 by 90 and if SP is 1800, so CP is 2000. Example 12, a dealer bought 20 TV sets for rupees 3,150 each, paid rupees 360 as the cartage for all and sold them at a profit of rupees 6,640. Find the selling price of all TVs and also selling price of one TV. The cost of one TV is given. First find cost of 20 TV. So 2150 into 20 means 63,000 एंड देन अमाउंट पेड ऑन कार्टेज इज ₹360, यानी वो भी हमारा किस में काउंट हो जाएगा, सीपी में. सो टोटल सीपी इज 63,000 प्लस 360, यानी 63,360. Profit is given 6,640. We can find SP, CP plus profit, that is 70,000. हमें फाइंड करना है 1 TV का SP, तो हम डिवाइड कर देंगे 20 से, that is 3,500. I hope these are clear to you. Exercise is based on these examples only. Go through these questions. Any problem we can discuss it later on. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.